If you're a remote worker in 2026 and you're still relying on just one paycheck, you are one email away from panic. Today, I'm breaking down the 25 best ways to make money in 2026 as a remote worker, but not the recycled advice you've seen everywhere. No just start dropshipping. Not just freelance on Fiverr stuff. Not just start YouTube that everyone is talking about. We're doing this strategically. Because 2026 is not about hustling harder. It's about building remote income systems. Welcome to Wealth Empire TV, where we don't chase money, we design it. Let me introduce my two students. Daniel believes he must do everything himself. Sarah thinks she needs 10 years of experience before starting. But I don't know how to build websites. You don't need to. You sell a $2,000 website package, hire a skilled freelancer for $1,200. You manage the project, you keep $800. That's contract arbitrage. In 2026, businesses don't care who builds it. They care about results. This alone can replace a full-time remote salary. If you want a full breakdown of the agency model, comment agency below. If lots of people comment, then I will make it my next video. Now let's talk about high-demand skills, but with positioning. Because skills don't make money, positioning does. Everyone says learn AI, but that is wrong. What businesses need are AI translators. They don't know how to use these tools properly. If you help companies optimize AI workflows, automate reports, write better marketing copy, you are essential. This is one of the smartest remote income ideas in 2026. Most freelancers fail because they lack structure. You become the structure. If you can coordinate developers, designers, writers, you become the glue. High-paying, remote, in demand. SEO is not dead, it's evolving. Companies need people who understand how to rank content in 2026, like this video. If you master SEO strategy, you will never be broke online. Attention is currency. Creators are multiplying. They don't have time. If you can edit short-form video that converts, you win. 1. Freelance writing. Specialize in one niche, not general writing. 2. Virtual assistant. High-level executive VA, not basic admin. 3. Social media management. Analytics focused, not posting memes. Graphic design for branding strategy, not random logos. Web development and no code. Build fast, sell outcomes. That sounds competitive. Yes. Because most people are average. You don't compete on price. You compete on clarity and results. Now we move from time for money to asset building. If you truly want to make money remotely in 2026, you need ownership. Not random blogs, search-driven blogs. You rank for keywords like best ways to make money in 2026, remote income ideas 2026, traffic leverage. Don't copy viral content. Own a niche. Finance, remote work, AI tutorials, industry explainers. YouTube is the new real estate. Templates, Notion dashboards, mini courses, industry cheat sheets. Build once, sell repeatedly. Don't spam links. Create solution-based content. Solve problem, then recommend tool. 16. Dropshipping with AI research tools. 17. Print on demand with micro-niche branding. 18. Sell stock content using AI-assisted production. Micro-expertise, one topic, one audience, weekly value. In 2026, niche authority wins.
But that sounds saturated.
It's saturated with amateurs, not professionals. 2026 belongs to people who work with AI, not against it. So, you must learn it for your good. Businesses are generating content fast, but it lacks polish. Human refinement, a premium skill. Help small businesses automate. Invoicing, email sequences, customer onboarding. You don't need to code, just connect tools. Every company needs conversational AI, local businesses especially. Huge opportunity. Simple tool, specific problem, subscription model. Example, a content repurposing dashboard for creators. Recurring income beats one-time payments. Underrated, low barrier, Growing demand, great entry point to the AI economy. This is where remote workers build stability. You work remotely, your money should too. Build assets that pay you quarterly. This is the real strategy. Here's an example. Project manager, active income. SEO blog, a scalable asset. Dividends, stability. That's how you hit $10K month. Not by doing everything, but by stacking strategically. Notion for organization, AI tools for efficiency, SEO software, payment processes, automation tools. Daniel asks, so what should I start with? Start with skill-based income, then build assets, then invest. That's the wealth empire method. Trying 10 things at once. Competing on price, ignoring SEO, not building assets, waiting to feel ready. Sarah waited 2 years. Don't spam links. Create solution-based content, solve problem, then recommend tool. If you've been searching for how to make money in 2026 as a remote worker, the best remote income ideas 2026, ways to make money remotely in 2026, this is your blueprint. Now here's your assignment. Pick one active skill. Pick one scalable asset. Start this week. If this gave you clarity, subscribe to Wealth Empire TV. Like this video so more remote workers see it. Comment which income stream you're choosing. Share it with someone stuck in a 9-to-5 mindset. Because in 2026, remote work isn't freedom. Strategic remote income is. And here at Wealth Empire TV, we build empires. See you in the next one.